Hello students. Today we will discuss special type of integration. Now the first theorem is to prove that 1 divided by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. There are 7 theorems, but in this lecture we prove the only first 3 theorem. Now proof of this theorem, let I is equal to integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square. Now we apply the substitution method. The substitution can be applied if x square plus a square, then x is equal to a tan theta. If a square minus x square, then substitution can be applied x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, here x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta, or x square minus a square, then we substitute x is equal to a sec theta. Now these are the substitutions. If this left hand sides are arise in any example, then we apply the substitution. Therefore here x square plus a square, then put x is equal to a tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to x divided by a, and theta is equal to tan inverse of x divided by a. Now we take new variable theta, then differentiation on both sides with respect to theta, then dx is equal to a, derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. Now put these values in equation 1 or given integration I is equal to 1 divided by x is equal to a tan theta, therefore x square is a square tan square theta plus a square, and dx is a sec theta d theta is equal to integration of 1 divided by, take a square common, in bracket tan square theta plus 1 into a sec theta, sec square theta, not sec theta, d theta. Now this a square, out of these 2a into a is a square, 1a, and this a is cancel. 1 divided by a is constant, take outside the integration. 1 divided by 1 plus tan square is sec square theta into sec square theta d theta. Again this sec square and sec square theta cancel. 1 by a integration 1 d theta is equal to 1 by a, the integration of 1 with respect to theta is theta plus c is equal to 1 by a into value of theta is tan inverse of x divided by a plus c. That means required integration I is equal to 1 divided by under x square plus a square dx, its value is 1 by a into tan inverse of x divided by a plus constant c, which is the first proof. Now the second is prove that integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Now we prove this result. Left hand side is x square minus a square. First we take x square plus a square, second is x square minus a square. Here we cannot apply the substitution because the left hand side are the subtraction of two square, that is factorize this. 1 divided by x square minus a square dx. Now we factorize this in this way, integration of 1 divided by x plus a into x minus a dx, and we adjust these two bracket in numerator, that we multiply and divide by twice a, then we get x plus a x minus a dx. But we want to these two bracket in numerator, then 1 divided by twice a integration of twice a minus x plus x whole divided by x plus a into x minus a dx. We subtract minus x, add minus x, value does not change. This twice a cancel, then left hand side is same this way. Again we try to get the bracket. First bracket x plus a, this x, and out of twice a plus a. Remaining a plus a, this minus x whole divided by x plus a into x minus a dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a. First bracket is x plus a, we get x plus a. But second bracket a minus x, we want to x minus a. Take minus common, minus of bracket x minus a, then divided by x plus a into x minus a dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a square bracket. We take direct steps, dividing numerator by denominator and write separate integration one times, that is integration of x plus a divided by this x plus a, x plus cancel, 1 divided by x minus a dx minus x minus a, x minus a cancel, integration of 1 divided by x plus a dx, square bracket complete, is equal to 1 divided by twice a to integration of, the integration of 1 by x is log x, in place of x, x minus a, therefore its integration is log of x minus a, minus again its integration is also log of x plus a. Here the coefficient of x is 1, therefore there is no need to divide coefficient of x, right? We take integration, therefore integral constant, and is equal to 1 divided by twice a bracket, the subtraction of logarithm, therefore we take its quotient log of x minus a divided by second term is x plus a plus c. Now which is the proof, we take here bracket, we take modulus is also, but in our text every times we take the bracket, therefore 1 by 2 square bracket log of this, or we modify this 1 by 2 into log of bracket x minus a divided by x plus a plus c, which is the answer of this proof, integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square. Now third, last, take integration of 1 divided by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So same proof, but I will take again integration of I is equal to 1 divided by a square minus x square dx. Again we adjust 1 divided by twice a integration of twice a, factorize this a minus x a plus x dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a minus x plus x whole divided by a minus x a plus x dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a. Again we write a, this x and a out of these two, that is a plus x. The remaining a and minus x, we write second bracket a minus x, the middle sign is plus. Here we cannot change the sign because the denominator is also a minus x as well as a plus x. A minus x, a plus x dx is equal to 1 divided by twice a. Again we take separate integration as well as take the quotient. A plus x cancel, 1 divided by a minus x dx plus integration of a minus x cancel, 1 divided by a plus x dx square bracket complete is equal to 1 divided by twice a. Now again the integration of 1 by x is log x and log of a minus x, but here the coefficient of x is not 1 which is minus 1, therefore 1 divided by minus 1 plus log of a plus x, here coefficient of x is plus 1, therefore we cannot need to divide this plus 1, right, plus sign is equal to 1 divided by twice a bracket by multiplying this minus 1, this first term is minus log of a minus x plus log of a plus x plus c, 1 by twice a. Again we take the law of logarithm. Now this negative sign and this is the positive, then first log of subtraction means quotient, take positive term in numerator a plus x, negative term denominator a minus x plus c, that is final answer 1 divided by twice a log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Now by using these three formulas we solve the integration of type 1 divided by x square plus bx plus c dx. In place of 1 we take any constant, suppose k. But this quadratic equation, 1 divided by quadratic equation, is converted into three parts. First is x square plus a square. Second, a square minus x square. And third, x square minus a square. That means all quadratic equations are converted into in this form. Then we apply the formula. For example, we take 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. Now this quadratic equation is converted into this, out of these three, any one form. 1 divided by x square plus twice x, complete square method. The third term can be find. Third term is equal to middle term bracket square divided by 4 into first term. Now this formula can be used, which is the most important formula. The third term is equal to middle term square is 4x square divided by 4 into first term is x square. X square cancel, that is 1. Therefore take 1 out of 5, we take 1, remaining 4 can be write dx. Then integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 bracket square plus 4 is 2 bracket square dx. Now classify the given problem is in this form: first, second, third. X square in place of x, which is the linear equation, x plus 1. X square plus a square, that is first type. Then we apply 1 by a into tan inverse of x divided by a plus c. But here a is 2. 1 by 2 tan inverse of, in place of x, x plus 1 divided by a is 2 plus c. Which is not, this example is not in our text exercise, but I will take for example 1 divided by quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is convert into complete square by using this formula. Third term is equal to middle term square divided by 4 into first term. Or we can apply another formula or only directly adjustment, but first we want to this quadratic equation in complete square. Now we will take the 3 example in our exercise. The first example is very simple example. First example is the integration of 1 divided by 25 minus 9x square dx. Now here the coefficient of x square is 9. First convert this coefficient of x square is always 1. Then the problem is to solve easily, otherwise the complications, or we apply the integration of f of ax plus b formulas. But here we take integration of 1 divided by 9 bracket 25 divided by 9 minus x square dx. The coefficient of x square is 9 and take 9 is common, that is 1 by 9 integration of 1 divided by 5 divided by 3 bracket square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 9. Now which is the form of a square minus x square. Now we prove the theorem a square minus x square. 1 by twice a log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Therefore its solution is 1 by twice a. 1 by twice a is 5 by 3 into log of a plus x, 5 by 3 plus x divided by 5 by 3 minus x plus c. Use direct formula. Then now this 3 is the in denominator, we take numerator 3 by 9 into 5 into 2 is 1 by 10 into log of, take also LCM, 5 plus 3x divided by 3 whole divided by 5 minus 3x divided by 3 plus c. 3 cancel, 3 into 3 9, 1 by 30 into log of 5 plus 3x divided by 5 minus 3x plus constant c is the answer of this example. Now the first problem is very easy. We cannot adjust the third term. Example number second. 1 divided by quadratic equation is given. I is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 8x plus 12 dx. Now we find third term. Third term is equal to middle term bracket square divided by 4 into first term is equal to, the middle term is 8x, its square is 64x square divided by 4 into first term is x square cancel and we get the 16. Now third term is the 16. Therefore now this is the rough calculation. Integration I 1 divided by x square plus 8x plus 16. We take extra plus 16, then minus 16 plus 12 is given that. याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आपल्याला, पहिल्यांदा क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर करायचं आणि ते करण्यासाठी हा फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करायचा. जी टर्म ज्यादा घेतली ती वजा करून टाकली, किंमत बदलली नाही. देअरफॉर इंटिग्रेशन आय इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवायडेड बाय, now which is a complete square, x, we take its square root x and square root of 16 is 4, x plus 4 bracket square, expand this, x square plus 4 into 2 8x plus square of 4 is 16, minus 16 plus 4 is minus 4 dx. That is equal to 1 divided by x plus 4 bracket square minus 2 square dx. Again we convert this equation in the form of x square minus a square. X square minus a square, its solution is 1 by twice a log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Then we apply the formula is equal to 1 by twice a, 1 by 2, we write first formula 1 by 2 log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Now which is the formula for integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square. Now we cannot write here equal to sign. This is the support formula. Then we write 1 by 2, a is 2 into log of x is x plus 4 minus a is 2 minus 2 divided by x plus 4 is 2 plus 2 plus c is equal to 1 divided by 4 log of x plus 2 divided by x plus 6 plus c, which is the answer of the given problem.